Building a house from scratch, step by step. 1. Planning and design. Decide on your budget. Choose house size and layout. Create a floor plan, rooms, kitchen, bathroom, etc. Get legal permissions, if required in your area. Tip: good planning saves money and avoids mistakes later. 2. Land preparation. Clear the land, remove trees, debris. Level the ground. Mark the house layout using ropes and stakes. 3. Foundation work. Dig trenches for the foundation. Add gravel and steel reinforcement. Pour concrete to create a strong base. This is the most important step. Your whole house depends on it. 4. Structure and walls. Start building walls with bricks, blocks, or concrete. Leave space for doors and windows. Use proper alignment to keep walls straight. 5. Doors and windows installation. Fix door frames and window frames. Ensure proper spacing and leveling. 6. Roof construction. Build roof structure, wood, steel, or concrete. Add roofing material, tiles, sheets, or a concrete slab. 7. Plumbing and electrical work. Install water pipes, kitchen, bathroom. Set up a drainage system. Do electrical wiring for lights, fans, and sockets. 8. Plastering and finishing walls. Apply cement plaster to the walls. Smooth surfaces for painting. Fix cracks and uneven areas. 9. Flooring and painting. Install tiles, marble, or cement floor. Paint walls, interior and exterior. Add final decorative touches. 10. Final installations. Install doors, windows, and cabinets. Fix lights, switches, and fittings. Set up kitchen and bathroom accessories. 11. Exterior and surroundings. Build boundary wall, if needed. Create a garden or outdoor space. Add a driveway or pathway. 12. Final inspection and move in. Check plumbing, electricity, and structure. Clean the house. Move in and start your new life.
Everything that I see, the teardrops when I